see it really though, but a cool little intake install. I'm waiting for Misa. He should be out in a bit. I gotta go to the back though. All I'm hoping for is a cool little whoosh, whoosh. Boy, if you don't, and I'm gonna get it. I know I'm gonna get it, so I'm kind of excited because, boys, turbo noises, probably my favorite thing. Probably my favorite thing, especially when you're just cruising. You know what I mean? Like, it's just chill. It's just chill. Little sound clips, stocky boy, no intake. Sounds pretty normal. And then we'll show you guys with the intake. Oh! Yo, that's my actress, bro.
God, you're so like, you're not the editor.
This was just exposing me. Shit, hold on. Let's check it out, bro. That's probably the. I wanna look at this first. That's probably the intake.
This is the.
Or the cone bullshit. This is the little heat shield supposedly. I don't get how metal is heat shield, dude. That's to me though, but I guess fuck it. It's cool. I might paint this black. I'm still debating.
I like that color.
But I'll probably leave it like this for now, huh? Might as well.
It kind of goes with the car, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. What else came in this bit? Oh, the little.
Oh, I didn't even see it. That's it.
That's the intake right there, boys. High power, high everything. Oh, look, you see it does come with a sticker.
Does it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, I'm gonna put the guy that let me know about this intake. Shout out to you, fool. We got some little hardware. Let's see what this shit look like.
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice. Paper bags. Did you finish downloading Cold War?
Yeah, it did. It finished downloading it.
I've been playing the story. It's pretty cool, dude. Oh.
That's just crazy.
Okay, okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, we're gonna put this on real quick, boys. We'll show you the after, boys. Yo, NEUSPEED, y'all owe me like a brand new car or something, bruh. Y'all did not include nuts, bruh. Well, 2 of them. I had to go ask this fool in O'Reilly.
I didn't know shit.
This fool literally told me, he's like, I was like, oh, you guys got some nuts? And he's like, oh, what year car do you have? And this fool was looking up lug nuts, fool. I was like, ah, shit. It's all good though. We got them. And we got some little donuts too. Fucking Misa's fat ass.
I got a sandwich and he's calling me a fat ass. Oh my god.
This one says breakfast. You gotta eat breakfast. You're like, what?
What?
Who eats breakfast?
Breakfast.
Hold on, let me show them real quick. Let me show them what I got. Donut holes, glazed, of course. I don't fuck with the other ones too much. Don't they have shit inside them too?
No.
I feel like some of them do have
little
shit.
white things too.
I don't like it.
I hate that shit, dude. That's what it tastes
Mmm.
like. It tastes like cheese to me.
Yeah, it's pretty gross. Hopefully these nuts fit. We can finish the freaking install.
Hopefully these.
That's what she said. Had to ask. Boys, I would never. Actually, probably one day, but for now, I do not feel comfortable. Imagine walking around in public like this, bruh. Like, this is kind of awkward, you know what I mean? Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're fucking, yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Gay.
You're gay. Gay's not synonym for bad or unpleasant, boys. Remember that. Middle school pride, bruh. For real, for real. There's a fucker right there, bruh. Exposed. We be telling Mr. this all the time. We might as well tell you guys. This man does TikToks, fool. But he does not want to admit it. What? Believe me, bruh. This man goes, all that shit, bruh. For real. We haven't found his account, but guys, if you're on TikTok and you find Misa, let me know. Send it to me. I'll appreciate it, bruh. Cause this man swears he doesn't do TikToks, bruh. Y'all should see his ass. Look, this is Misa, really. Let me set you guys up.
Right. What's down, Tatiana? Yeah,
Ew, bro. Like,
I wanna see you
but
bust down.
Miso.
Pick it up,
Oh,
now break that shit down.
Mr. swears he doesn't be doing that shit, bruh. Y'all should. Oh my! I know he does. I know he does. If you guys see him, make sure to send it to me, boys. Don't worry about that right now. First, put it down. First, put it in. You gotta get this one in here first. Yeah. Right there. Right there.
Damn, that one's gonna be a bitch.
Yeah, no, you need an extender clip. We're chilling though. Sheesh. We got the little guy over there. Yeah, this looks clean, no cap. Engine starting to come together. I'm gonna have to clean this up. I'll probably clean it up once I clean this up. Boys, let me know what you guys think. It looks pretty cool. I fuck with this. I might be painting this black, I don't know yet. But for now, I'm keeping it like that. I'm gonna paint it black before I put the sticker on, or not, I don't know. Let's hear it out though.
There it is. I heard it. Yes, sir. I heard.
All right, do it one more time.
Yes, sir.
Wait, backfire? Shut the fuck up.
I swear, bro.
Nah, shut the fuck up.
Yo, I don't know what's up with my car sometimes, but sometimes it backfires. That sounds nice. Alright, it sounded cool though.
Bro, that shit sounded cool.
Let's go for a drive?
Let's go.
Alright, hold on. Let's fucking check it out, boys. That looks sick, dude. It sounds sick too. I'm hyped, boys. Alright, we're gonna go for a drive real quick. Let's put everything away real quick and let's go for a drive. Oh, you hear it, you hear it. You heard it? Look. Alright, close the windows real quick. A little bit. You can barely hear it. Hold on, we'll hear it right now. It's not as loud as I thought it would be, boys, but it sounds pretty cool. It's better than before though, at least. Oh look, little RSX, that's what's up.
Oh, I heard it right there.
Oh, that shit sounded sick!
Yes, sir.
That shit sounded nice, bro. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
Oh,
that shit sounds nice. Oh yeah, I couldn't hear it. That's just cool though.
I was like,
Oh shit.
is that nigga making that noise? I was like, nah, that's not that noise.
With my mouth and shit.
I thought you were just going. Tss. I was like, nah, this nigga's pranking.
nah.
This nigga's pranking.
Dude, that shit sounds cool though. I fuck with that. Oh shit.
I would want it to be louder exactly like that though.
Yeah, I feel like once I get everything done with this car,
It's
probably sound like louder and shit. So I don't know if you guys can hear it too good on video, but it sounds pretty cool. Shout out to Misa for the install, bruh. If you guys need anything installed, hit up Misa. You already know. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, boys, we're in Mexico right now. Sounds pretty cool. I like the sound it makes, you know. Would I recommend? Yes, but you probably gonna have to pick up some freaking bolts for the fucking the heat shield, because I did not get them with it. So NEUSPEED, if you're watching this, cool intake, but you gotta send me like probably an R32 or like an NSX or something. Either one, I don't know, whichever one you think. But it's pretty cool, boys. I went to go get some food. Got a little pizza for myself, you know what I'm saying? Yes, I will eat the whole thing. I be calling Misa fat ass, but really, nah, cause he eats. Nah, we'll see. We'll end up seeing who. We'll let him see who. We're on the road to like 500 pounds each, so we'll see who gets there first. Let me know what you guys think of the actual intake itself, how it looks. Oh, let me know. You guys think I should paint the heat shield black or not? I've been thinking about it. I might not. That's why. Ooh, it sounds good, bruh. That's why I haven't put on the little sticker though. I don't know. I'm still debating. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Intake's pretty cool. Next is downpipe, and then I'll finally be able to get a tune, boys. I'm gonna go stage 2, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, that's a cool little fucking NSX, dude.
This nigga's talking about making TikToks.
Bro, like funny TikToks, like not even cringe TikToks. Like not like Misa's TikToks where he dances and shit.
He said TikToks though.
Wait, let me show him the NSX real quick. Let me show him the NSX right here, bro. Hell yeah, that shit's clean, bro. Oh shit. Dude, that shit's sick, bro. Oh my god. Definitely gonna cop one of those. Wait, look, this is the TikTok. Let me show me. When high schoolers, after they install an intake. Fuck! Oh shit! Ah! Oh fuck, dude!
Yep.
Dude, that shit's fucking fast, bro! Woo! Where the runs at, bro? Let's go to the runs. I got my heart pumping, dude.
No, you can see a vein popping on your neck. Nigga said.
Dude, that's too fast. Oh shit.
That was not even fast at all. Nigga was not even going
Nigga, I think I went like
65.
I think I went like 200 miles per hour.
It was going 65.
My nipples are hard too.
What?